My name's Chris Doane. I'm a retired attorney from the United States, recently from Denver, Colorado. A complex tear in my meniscus. The problem I was having, I had kind of an acute pain from walking, and it was preventing me from pivoting on that leg very well. I was unable to go downstairs. I was going downstairs backwards for a number of months, which got some funny looks in public. But I was not able to walk very well or very quickly. Looking online about repair techniques for a horizontal oblique meniscus tear. And I ultimately found an article that Dr. Winyou had published just the month explaining what I would call an advanced new technique for surgical repair of this type of injury, what he has called the BStitch technique, as in the letter B. And I read through his article carefully, and I started researching him, and there were some expat groups on Facebook that happened to have posted questions by people looking for orthopedic surgeons that very next day. And there were people on there that had been in the medical profession in Bangkok for many years and said that Dr. Winyou was the best orthopedic surgeon in Bangkok, if not Southeast Asia. And they could not speak more highly of him. So I felt strongly then that he was the right person to work on me. And then once we came to Bangkok and I met him, I was convinced.
Horizontal tear of the meniscus occur mostly in the patient over 60. So the blood supply become a main issue. The stitch has to compress the meniscus, but as little as possible disturb the blood supply. I mentioned in the article that we presented last year that as we pull the stitch, the long side of the rectangle move more and generate the main force. So we have to direct the main force to compress the meniscus. You can see that these ready-made stitch are not appropriate for this type of tear because the main force that produced by the pull of the suture does not compress the tear. And it also bound the meniscus to the outside, which may disturb the blood supply. To avoid this, we can stitch only the meniscus. But again, the force that generates from the pull, which follow the long side of the rectangle, must compress the tear, not compress the meniscus tissue like this. In BStitch, which you look like letter B, the long side of the rectangle was designed to compress the tear. So you can have the vertical stitch that also resists the shearing force. Now, this rectangle can be designed in any plane to adjust the shape and position of the meniscus. For example, you want to pull the meniscus in, or you want to make it thicker.
So I'm about a little over 3 months out of surgery, and I'm right at the cusp of being able to walk unassisted, which is a blessing. I'm still, doing physical therapy. I'm able to go downstairs better. I'm still going down kind of, I would say, sideways for now, but I don't have the same pain when I walk. I'm able to pivot better. I'm confident that in another month or so I'll have regained full use of that, but right now it's not quite back to 100%, but I'm able to walk unassisted, which I'm happy about. So our whole experience here has been wonderful. I cannot speak highly enough of Samitivej Srinakaryan. The service has been fantastic. There's a great customer service team. The staffing levels are great. Every department that we've been with, which has been cardiology, physical therapy, orthopedic surgery, they're all very fully staffed. The appointment setting was easy. The wait times were minimal. And we've really felt like VIPs the whole time we've been here. It's been a pleasant experience. I was in the hospital for 3 nights and 4 days during the course of my operation. And the room was comfortable. We had a private room. The staff was great. I happened to be in the hospital over Christmas, so Dr. Winyou and his team surprised me. They came in with fancy dress, costumes. I got to play Santa from my hospital bed. They gave us gifts, and it was really just a very pleasant experience. We felt welcomed, and the hospital is very well organized. It's well run, and we've been very pleased with the quality of care that we've received.